English tenses. Lesson number 5. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to describe completed actions or events that occurred in the past. It is usually formed by adding ed to regular verbs. However, irregular verbs have their own unique forms. In positive sentences, we use the past form of the verb, which is often created by adding ed to regular verbs or by using the irregular form for irregular verbs. Examples: I watched a movie last night. She visited her grandparents on the weekend. They played soccer in the park. The cat chased the mouse. We studied for the exam. In negative sentences, we use the auxiliary verb did not, didn't, followed by the base form of the verb. Examples: I didn't eat breakfast this morning. He did not go to the party. They didn't finish their homework. She did not buy a new car. We didn't see the concert. In question sentences, we invert the subject and the auxiliary verb did, followed by the base form of the verb. Examples: Did you visit your friend yesterday? Did he play the guitar at the party? Did they watch the football match on TV? Did she cook dinner for her family? Did we go to the beach last summer? To recap, the simple past tense is used to talk about actions, events, or situations that happened and ended in the past. Positive sentences are formed using the past form of the verb, while negative sentences include the auxiliary verb did not. Question sentences start with the auxiliary verb did. Remember to use the appropriate form of the verb based on whether it is regular or irregular. With practice, you'll become more comfortable using the simple past tense in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.